Welcome to my channel. Factoring trinomials. Meron tayong 5x squared plus 16x plus 3. Tuturuan ko kayo ngayon kung paano ito i-factorize using very easy way. Para in just at least mga siguro 5 to 10 seconds, masagutan na ninyo ito. We'll be using the triangle method. So with this, let's get started. First, let's get the product of 5 and 3. Okay? So 5 times 3 is 15, right? Now, give the factors of 15. Ano-ano ba yung mga factors of 15? Ibig sabihin, kung mag-isip ng dalawang numbers na kapag ipag-multiply mo, ang sagot is 15. So we have 5 times 3, right? Then 15 times 1. What else? No more. Okay, ibig sabihin, ito yung factors ng 15. The 1, 15, 3, and 5. Okay. Focus tayo dito sa middle na term. We have 16x, right? So ito lang kukunin natin. 16. Itong mga factors na ito na 5 and 3, pag i-add mo yan, 16 kaya ang sagot? Ang hahanapin natin ay kung alin sa mga factors or pair of factors na kung ipag-add natin, the answer will be 16. Okay? Let's start with 5 plus 3, right? We have 8. Okay? Then 15 plus 1 equals 16. Okay, tumpak. Yan, 16. Right? Ibig sabihin, we will be using these two factors. 15 and 1. Okay? Let's start. Maglagay muna tayo ng close and open parenthesis. Then since mga positive man itong mga signs, automatic na mga positive yan. Okay? Then, lagyan ng, since we have the common factors, let's put x. Okay? Now, doon tayo mag-vary sa constant o sa second na term, which is constant. Now, we will put this 15. Okay? I'll put 15 here. Then, the other one should be at the other side, yung 1. Okay, we're not yet done. Now, let's see this numerical coefficient, which is 5. Let us put or ilagay natin itong 5 below the 15. Sa left, and then sa other side naman. Okay? We are not yet done. I-simplify muna natin ito. So let me copy ha. I simplify muna natin ito. 15 divided by 5. Okay? That's 3, right? So let's copy first x. 15 divided by 5 is 3. O nakatapos na tayo ng isang factor. Ito naman sa kabila. Since 1/5 yan, hindi man siya simplifiable. Kasi extracted naman siya. It is already in a form of a proper fraction. So, anong gagawin? Since simplified naman yan, let's just copy the x plus 1. Then, ito naman si 5. Ilagay natin, transfer natin dyan sa left. Okay? And make it 5x. Okay. Yan, paano natin malalaman na tama yung sagot ko? Mag-checking tayo syempre. Check natin kung ito ba ay tama. Lagyan ko dito ng checking. So, copy natin. X plus 3 times 5x plus 1. Okay. 3 times 1, we have 3. Then the sign is positive. Then 1 times x, x. Kung gusto mong lagyan ng 1, pwede. Pero pwede na i-remove yan. Understood naman kasi na ano yan, 1. Then, 5x times 3, 15x. Plus 5x times x, 5x squared. Let's add. Just copy 5x squared plus, di ba 1 yan? Understood naman na 1 yan. So 16x plus 3. So ano sa tingin ninyo? Tumama ba tayo? Tingnan natin sa original. Tumama tayo. Sana naintindihan niyo yung explanation ko. Maraming salamat.